Hello students, today we will discuss about optics and the introduction of this optics will started with light. Light is an electromagnetic wave. The study of light is divided into two parts which are geometric optics and physical optics. Geometric optics deals with the image formation by optical systems. Physical optics deals with the nature of light. In this course of optics, we will discuss the following units like aberrations, interference, diffraction, polarization, lasers and holography. We will majorly deal with lens than that of mirror. So, what is the difference between a lens and a mirror? Mirror is a glass surface with a silvery coating which produces image by reflection, and lens is a transparent substance of glass or a plastic bound by two surfaces which at least one is curved. The mirror is a plane or curve and the lens is the curve with one or both sides. And the mirror obeys the laws of reflection, lens obeys the laws of refraction. And the equation of the mirror is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. And the equation of the lens is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. And both this mirror and lens are divided into two types, that is convex and concave. So in this explanation which is given in the figure, we can understand the difference between the concave lens, convex lens, concave mirror and convex mirror. We can see here clearly the concave lens causes the light rays to spread apart or diverge, and the convex lens causes the light rays to meet or converge. The concave mirror causes the light rays to meet or converge, and convex mirror causes the light rays to spread apart or diverge. And the note here is a convex lens acts as an concave mirror and a concave lens acts as an convex mirror. So, the basics of this lens are given here in the following points. So, first of all, we have to know what is the principal axis. The principal axis is the line joining two centers and passing through the optic center, and this is meant by the principal axis. And the optical center is that the central point of the lens is known as an optical center. And the object distance is the distance between the object and the lens. And the image distance is the distance between the image to the center line of the lens. The radius of curvature is the radius of circle formed with the curved path of lens, and the aperture is nothing but the effective of width of a lens through which refraction takes place is meant by this aperture. And the focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the optical center is nothing but the focal length, and it is like half of the radius of curvature. The refractive index of a lens is nothing but the ratio of velocity of light in the vacuum to the velocity of light in the specific medium. So the medium may be the air medium, or a solid medium, or a fluid medium. Thank you.